Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Ford Explorer here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the center of the dash. And from here, just want to click on the time in the top left. And then clock time source, you can go to automatic, so it changes by itself. Or set it to manual. And then you can come down, click on the time there, do what you need. And then once you've done that, to save it, just press back, which will set the time. And also you can adjust your date here. And same again, set date.